share some things with you. When I was young, my father had a bicycle, and I thought we were rich because I was content. And he followed me through life. Even though I'm not a millionaire, I had always helped people. I'd always blessed, even if I have one thing, I thank God for it. Remember in the Bible, Jesus Christ had 2 loaves of bread for millions of people, and he blessed it. So don't wait till you become a rich person, or when you have the big house, then you start counting your blessing. Start counting it today. Because this worked for me. When I was not happy with my life, but when I had 5 heart attacks, God saved me. They call me the miracle lady. But I think it's because I've always thanked God for what I have in life. That is what made me. I've been trying to write a book for the past 20 years before the heart attack. It didn't materialize. I was discharged last year March 2008. I was on crutches. When I came to Mirella, I couldn't climb the stage. They have to carry me up on the stage. But I've been able to produce this book in 5 months.
Wow.
And furthermore, this book was a bestseller last week. I was #1 in Japan, #2 in Canada, and #2 in United Kingdom.
Yeah.